Hello, this is Christopher Busak with DWD Technology Group. I'm recording the monthly tip where the GL appears to have missing data. We've had a couple of clients send us emails and call in saying that they have seen missing data in their general ledger when it comes to their journals. Now, when this typically happens, the typical culprit is that the daily transaction register has not been entered yet. In order to fix this, what you'll want to do is you'll want to go to your general ledger, go to your daily transaction register, and you'll want to run this. You can print or you can preview, does not matter. See, here are some unentered items in the daily transaction register. Now, if you wish to update it, this is the important part. You'll want to click yes. This will push everything to your journals. I'm selecting no in order to keep these in for future demos. Next, one of the things we do suggest is the daily transaction register exists in more places than the general ledger, such as accounts receivable. Here you also see a daily transaction register. Now, this daily transaction register also exists in the general ledger, obviously, sales order, accounts payable, accounts receivable, inventory management, job cost, bill of materials, production management, bank reconciliation, and fixed assets. Some or most of these may not be applicable to your company. One of the things we do suggest to keep this from occurring where the general ledger seems to not be showing data is we suggest changing some security protocols. We go to Library Master, we go to Security, we go to Role Maintenance. Under Role Maintenance, you're going to have Security option. Under the Security option, in accounts receivable, allow automatic update of daily transaction register. Now that means when you run your AR, your accounts receivable daily transaction register, it will also update your general ledger. That is one way you can do it. You can also set the same security up for your AP, but that is one way of doing it automatically so you don't have to remember to go into your general ledger and post. One of the things that I do need to urge is that if you decide to go this route, where you go into your library master, where you go into your role maintenance, and you change the security option here to automatic, you must not be in 32-bit. I repeat, you must not be in 32-bit. You must have 64 or else it will hang. The way you can check this, you're going to hear this button under help, go to the Sage 100, and here you will see bits. Now, mine's set to 32, but I don't often post, and I just accept that it will hang when it happens. It is also easy to change to 64-bit. It's more of a switch and less of a large update for us, and so if you wish to change to a 64-bit, that is something that we can do for you here at DWD Technology Group. But you must be at Windows 10 and above on your server in order for this to work. Any lower in 64-bit won't run. Now, another way to automate this, go to Library Master, Main, and go to Task Scheduler. You'll create a task schedule. You're going to give it a job. It does not like spaces, so you have to use an underscore. Here, I'll enter in my information. I'm told to run daily, and here we can set up tasks for it. One such task is going to General Ledger and saying doing the daily transaction register. Now you can also do this for things such as sales order, purchase order, and this way, this will automatically post. Now you can choose where to print it and what printer you want it to go to. You can tell it to all batches. If you use batches in your company, and go back to the schedule, you can see run it daily, and you can now accept. See how that's accepted? Now we have this task scheduler, and every day at 11:58 p.m., we will now run the daily transaction register of GL, SO, and purchase order. That is how to find your missing information in General Ledger, and that is the most typical problem that we have when people come to us saying that data is missing. Again, this is Christopher Busak with DWD Technology Group. Thank you very much and have a great day.